To give an overview of how we think about property diligence here at AcreTrader, I've pulled up the Hanska farm on our geospatial land analysis tool and sister company, Acres. Now, crop growth begins with soil. In this case, we have a mixture of high quality, primarily clay loam soils. They have an aggregate CPI score of 93.5. CPI is a Minnesota state-specific soil metric. This is rated out of 100. Soils for the Hanska farm rate well above the Brown County average of an 83 CPI. Moreover, this farm is receiving hog manure as fertilizer directly from the tenant's hog operation. This positively impacts not only organic matter, microbial diversity, but also biomass. All of these are potential drivers of increased crop production. That said, with heavier, nutrient-dense soils, we always question how to get excess water off of the crop, as standing water can negatively impact crop production. In this case, the elevation layer confirms this farm has a natural easterly flow directly into a large county-maintained ditch. This borders the property and connects to a larger county-maintained ditch network, pulling water off of agricultural properties. Given that the operator provided historical yields directly from their heat monitor, we have a pretty clear understanding of the production potential of this farm, at which point the primary question becomes financial. In most productive areas of the U.S. Corn Belt, there's quite a bit of land turnover. However, there is no master listing service for farmland, so historically finding sales results has been very difficult. This is where we have the distinct advantage of enterprise access to acres data, where I can quickly view several curated area comps to get a clear picture of the current land market. Now, when reviewing land prices, it's important to remember that all sales are not created equal. From the perspective of investment underwriting, we recalculate comparable sales on a per tillable basis. This is a proxy for the acres that a farmer will pay rent for, as well as on a price per CPI point basis, which allows us to smooth pricing trends across variable soil qualities. Most importantly, we always think about pricing on an all-in to investor basis. So all analysis of this offering has been compared to market with the inclusion of all structuring, tax, and closing costs. This is one reason we provide a full financial model. That's what you see in front of you here, and it can be downloaded directly from every offering page. Ultimately, understanding farmland has to be rooted in local knowledge. So we always seek site-specific information and work with both the tenant as well as the local farm manager to get in-field analysis and a complete understanding of the regional nuances that may impact this opportunity. Our farm manager was actually on site just a couple of weeks ago, reported a strong soybean crop, as well as confirmed some of our assumptions on the flow of water across this property. Having a comprehensive, well-organized data source, along with a robust network of local agricultural experts, gives us the ability to not only quickly analyze properties, but also to find a curated opportunity that may be a good fit for you as an investor on our platform.